morning, Southwest Florida. If you are heading out and about, we are waking up to another round of rain and storms pushing through in from the Gulf of Mexico onto land, and that'll be the path throughout the morning and into your afternoon and also into the evening. So scattered rain and storms pretty much likely throughout the day, kind of like yesterday. But here's a storm we are watching. We're down to 10 lightning strikes north of Sanibel, south of St. James City. This is slowly working its way off in an easterly direction, but it's not as strong as what it was earlier. So we're starting to see it weaken just a bit, but we are left behind with some moderate rain along the Punta Rasa Bridge, crossing over into Iona, up McGregor, and also up the river. We are watching some of that rain work its way in. So no thunderstorms this morning just yet for downtown Fort Myers, but we do have this pocket that will continue to push off towards that northerly direction. So Tice, Alva, even Olga, you had the opportunity to see some of this rain from this area coming in over the next 40 minutes or so. Starting to see some better conditions for the northern half of Pine Island, but Cape Coral dealing with pockets of some moderate to heavier rains indicated in the yellows. So we do have the opportunity to see a few thunderstorms developing within these pockets of the very heavy rain. Even Naples dealing with some moderate rain still is floating over you and also going into portions of Bonita Springs and also heading into 75 eastbound. We are going to see some of those wet roads, especially along Marco Island to Everglades City. So we do have, again, the ongoing rain as we take a look off in the Gulf of Mexico working its way onto land. So Charlotte County, let's go through you. We have pockets of some very heavy rain up and down 75. Bend is sitting in a very big thunderstorm. Nothing on the severe side this morning, but we are going to continue to watch out to see the very heavy downpours, the frequent lightning, and also possibly some gusting winds. Arcadia, the eastern half of you dry, but off towards the west, that's where we're watching the next batch of some heavy rain, even some thunderstorms pushing in. So we will see that again continue on that easterly track. So most of the rain, notice where it's coming from, the Gulf of Mexico. We have a lot of fuel, a lot of deep tropical moisture. That's going to give us some of the opportunities to see those heavy downpours at times. And of course, we can't rule out some ponding on the roadways with some of the rainfall rates, again, falling at around 2 inches per hour. So the heavy rain pretty likely throughout some portions of your day today. There's a look 3 o'clock, still holding on to some scattered rain and storms. Most of the activity mainly inland, but we're going to see a few showers gearing in from the Gulf of Mexico still. This activity does go into the sundown period, even as we go into the late evening hours. An isolated shower or thunderstorm can't be ruled out. Tomorrow morning, same story, waking up to scattered rain, scattered storms, even heading into your afternoon into the evening. So we do have that wet pattern in place over the next few days ahead, especially going into Wednesday. That's when we're going to start to see a little bit more of a normal pattern back here for Southwest Florida. Temperatures back into the 90s as we go into your Wednesday with some storms for the late second half starting Thursday.